Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a kickflip. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need a board. I got this really nice and expensive, I don't know if you can see it, WWE board. Got this online, special edition, great board, you guys should get it. Best that they make, best board in the world there. Alright, so anyway, so you want a board, right? Okay. So when you're doing a kickflip, so you're going to want to do an ollie first. So I put my feet like this when I'm doing an ollie. So you're going to want to pop. Oh my god. Not bad. But you get the picture. Alright, so then when you're doing a kickflip, you're going to pop. Sorry, can you see that? You pop, and then you're going to drag. So ready? Sorry, my bad. That was a bad example. Sorry. Let me try that again. Alright, ready? Oh, God! Oh!